Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again, new episode on How To. Today we're going to talk about Speed Libre or LibreSpeed, a script that I'm going to install on Docker. This is the actual script I personally use to test my network. So LibreSpeed is something simple, easy to use. It's just like Oakley or fast.com. It's just to test your network speed, or again, you can actually, if you wanted to make it live, install it on your server and you can actually remotely check the actual speed of your server. But this is the actual what I personally use for my internal network. This is the first line of test that I do to check my network issues. So don't forget all the information in the link, all the information in the actual in the description below. And all the links are included. This is the page that I'm going to use. This is on GitHub, and this is the actual line of code, as you can see here, that I'm going to use. This is on port 80. I'm going to change that to a different port. Now, if I go to my port channel, I already got an installed version, and this is the one I'm running, and this is running on port 7110. Let me go there, and as you can see, we got a working version of LibreSpeed. It doesn't take much. And this is how you test, just like any other test, network test that you can find online. The connection for this server is about 1 gigabit, but it's using a lot of things at the moment. And this is the reason why I don't get the download speed. Perhaps it's downloading some of the stuff that I done this morning, so it's still doing it. So that's the reason why it's not the full speed. So anyway, again, double check. Now, just in case you change, it goes up and down, as you can see. But it is 1 gigabit. My main network is on 2.5, but this one is on 1 gigabit. And as you can see, the upload speed is full 1 gigabit. So again, guys, let me put this one there, and let me open the terminal. This is what I'm going to use today. And I'm already logged in to my Docker server. Let me turn this off. There we go. I'm going to stop it. Alright, so that's been stopped. Let's go back to the lineup, make sure I copied, and let's go back to the actual terminal. There we go. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to put sudo in front. I'm not logged in as a root, and I'm going to change the port to 7111, only because 7110 has already been used, and also port 8 is being used on my Nginx proxy manager. So again, I'm going to add sudo, and I'm going to press enter. Now for this installation, the image is already been downloaded from my previous installation, so it will be much faster. But the actual installation is exactly the same. That's all you write, and that's all you get. Make sure you got the port available, whatever port you're going to use, all right? So the installation has been done. There is no qualified domain name for this. This is why I get this kind of error, but it's not an actual error. Just if you want to use it like I do locally, there is no problem. And as you can see, that's been installed. So let's click on the link there, and we got some of the statistics here as well. I can do that every 1 second to actually have a look if there is a problem. And I'm not going to refresh. Actually, I'm going to change the port to 111 there, and I'm going to press enter. And as you can see, it works. And I'm going to do a check again for you, so you can actually have a look the actual speeds. And as you can see, it's exactly the same as earlier on, about 500 megabits per second download, and we also get 1 gigabit uploads. Right, so that's what it's all about, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. How quick and easy it was to install LibreSpeed on your Docker server. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did showing you how to do this and bringing you this type of apps. If you have any issues, if you have any idea, if you would like to see many other apps on GitHub to be installed on Docker, let me know in the description below. If you don't like this video, also leave it in the comment below. Let me know the reason, so I can actually make more and better videos for you. So without any delay, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.